In this video, we'll demonstrate how to view the password of the Wi-Fi connection on iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you forgot the Wi-Fi password and you need to retrieve a Wi-Fi password for a network you've previously connected to, don't worry, it's a very simple process. First, make sure you're connected to the network you're interested in. Then, go to your iPhone's settings and navigate to the Wi-Fi section. In the Wi-Fi section, look for the network you want to retrieve the password for. It should be listed among the available networks. To proceed, just select a Wi-Fi network and look for an information icon, typically located next to the network's name. Tap this icon to access additional network details. Within the network details, you should find a field that displays the Wi-Fi password. However, the password is often hidden and represented by dots for security reasons. To reveal it, tap the password field, and the actual Wi-Fi password will be displayed for you to see and use. By following these simple steps, you can quickly retrieve a Wi-Fi password from a network you've previously connected to, making it easier to share or reconnect your devices when needed. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.